Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're someone that uses a compressor on a regular basis, then you know that crawling underneath the tank and draining out the excess fluid that accumulates can be a real hassle, but not anymore. We have installed this awesome electronic drain system from PneumaticsPlus on our compressor, and we could not be happier. So we were looking for this specific type of automated drain for our home workshop where we do a lot of machining and mechanical work with compressors. As you can see, our prior solution to this problem was not going very well. Right out of the box, we noticed that these parts felt very solid and heavy duty and well made. There is a Y strainer that is included, which just helps to protect that drain by stopping any debris or anything that might get into it. Installation was a breeze. Within a matter of minutes, we had this installed and ready to go, and you just basically turn it on and it's good to go. So I also appreciated that it has a pretty nice long 6-foot cord. We chose to plug this in behind our compressor into a smart plug so we can even further automate this whole process. We did supply our own drain hose and we hooked it up, and then we chose to drain it out the bottom of our garage. So there are 2 different dials on this where you can set the length of time between a drain cycle from 1 to 60 minutes, and then you can also set how long it will drain for in seconds. So this is really nice to be able to customize it to whatever your specific drain needs are, how often you need it to be emptied, and it can do it all on its own. As you can see, we definitely needed to have this drain in place because we had a ton of accumulated water in our tank. So we are really pleased with this product and would definitely recommend it. And that's my point of view.